Hi kids, welcome to Art Learn. You like very much drawing and painting and then whatever coloring part and then you like very much I think. So here I'm showing such kind of the paintings. This is a beautiful painting. This snow with this thing and then lovely painting. And the next the other one is the Ganesha, and then next you can see the balloons, and the other one is one beautiful landscape by oil pastels. And then here you can see that the painting with the acrylic, and then beautiful tree, flowers, and then beautiful sky, and then this the other one, the simple the painting. And then other one is the one oil pastels drawing. So here you like very much, and then whatever you will see the image or photo or picture or wherever in the Google or wherever you find, you like to draw that one, right? So that obviously the kids will like that. And then this one, in this video I'm giving how to draw that, and the what kind of the steps you need to follow. I will teach you easy way, whatever image you can draw easy, right? So here I will show this one how to draw in the paper. Before this I will give you such kind of the tips, okay, right? So then you take one paper, and then what you will do, the first thing is you draw the lines. You need horizontal lines, and then vertical line, and then diagonal the other one. So just here I'm giving simply what kind of the directions you need to practice. You need to practice the number of the papers and then all the directions here and there. Then you will get one good grip with the pencil line. So here see the lines, and then circle the opposite, right? And then 8 number, that the same 8 number, change the direction and do. For your hand it is required the very good flexibility line, right? Then after that to do waves line here and there, and then next mountains zigzag line, and then oval. All the directions you need, you know the directions, up and down, then right side and left side. So you need to do perfect the many times you need to practice. And the best one is take the newspaper, keep it front you, and then just you do and do, just to do many times and forcefully, especially by forceful you need to work, okay? Then what will happen, very good command, good understanding on the line, you can understand this, you will get perfect line with this confidence line, you can develop that, right? This way you can do the circle the same way which one I was explained just before this. So use the newspaper, and then here and there take other paper, change it, and then do confidently, perfectly, and strong, right? So now in this here so this image how to draw I will explain to you. See this, right? So I was taken one paper. So in this paper, what paper image the drawing or whatever, taking the reference. And then here you need to check the first of all in this image, what is then the important object, and then which one is the in the center it has placed, that you have to draw in the paper first, okay, right? So the in this the boat is the center and bigger size, okay, right? So in this boat, and then we'll go still deep, okay, in this boat, and the next which one will start, how to judge that? Let's see. So to understand this one is the center place, and this one is the off of the page, right? See, this one is the off, and then here in the off. So this line it is showing off exactly, right? So here this place and this place almost the same, then it will take in the middle, right? So now in this middle we want one line, right? So to understand this, so from here to here you give this kind of the gap, right? So draw one line, okay, right? And the next one is take the slant, right? You need to check that you by following this you need to follow, otherwise simply while doing the board what you will do, just you will draw one line. No, see here it is not their bottom. So if you are not showing the bottom, that means what will happen, such kind of the bottom part it is there inside of the water. So that is why the next what you will do, will start the water waves line will draw, right? The next will comes to here and then draw the same one more line and then make such kind of the design what is there on the image. The next comes to one straight line, right? So on this one straight line will draw, and then this one is connected to here, and so this one will connect here. Then one more it has come into the curve line and jointed here towards this, and the next one more line, and then one more, and then one more. How many lines are there? So we'll count and then we'll check. And then for this you give double line, right? And the next sun on the right side, and the top it is there sun, right? So draw this, right? And then while doing this, first you take this, very simple, this line should not touch to the circle. Why means, if this line is not touching in such kind of the gap, if you maintain, what will happen, it's look glow very bright, okay? If you by touching the lines, if you give, it's look hard, and then lines only will be visible in that. So that is why we'll give such kind of the gap, and then after doing this we'll give the other direction the lines. The line stroke has to go from the circle to outside. From the circle, the light is coming from the sun, so that is why sun circle we are taking as the sun. From the sun only we need to take the line stroke, okay? So not from the outside to inside. Out to inside is the wrong, so it has to see this, the thick line and then sharp, it has to go out. So light is coming from the sun, right? So the next one, which one you are taking, you take little small size lines, then it's look beautiful. And then just you here the other side is the cloud, and then here this one you add it here, bigger size and then small and then joint, right? So now this one is the birds or whatever is the finally after the color you can bring that. And then now yeah, one more these the lines are there here, the number of, and the same thing you need to follow that, how many lines are there you count. Here you need to observe that what way, which place it went up, and then up, second line also down, down. So you need to follow the rhythm, right? So in this line, so you need to go into this way, just the first line you need to follow, right? And then one more line, right? So now your drawing is ready as this, okay, right? So the next what you will do, I'm taking this black this thing marker, you can take marker or otherwise sketch pen. and then just you follow this outline, and then just as this, whatever the pencil line is there, you need to follow. Yes, finish this, and then next I will take this eraser, and then whatever the lines are, the pencil lines are visible, so erase them, then it will give neatness, and those will not disturb the coloring part and vision or whatever. Right. So now the coloring part I will show. So the light color and dark color. So here you can see the shading part and the dark to light. So here you can understand that dark to light it is there. So dark color will take and the light color will take on the top. So just by while doing the coloring, you need to take care of the lines. So just you need to follow this lining. Okay. So whatever the drawing part it is there, so till where it is coming, so just lightly you give the mark, and then so here also outside, and then we follow this, and then finish. So you need to follow this. The next light color will take on the top. So like this you need to give the border first while doing, how like I'm giving, see. So then what will happen, the color will not go inside and won't be trouble you. So first only you need to give the border and then follow the coloring rest of the area. Right. The sky part has finished. Right. So you have to blend nicely like this. Right. So now we'll take yellow color, then orange color. So here the first you apply the yellow, and then just here and there you outside also you score this the yellow, the brightness here and there, that white gap also you leave off. Then orange color you give the strokes, leave off one line and then give the strokes. That means understood, alternate, you have to give one gap and then next one you need to give the strokes. Right. So the around also just lightly you give the stroke. Right. And then next one is the with the gray color we'll give this shading, and then over the next one is here the combination is the green color, yellow color and then green color. So whatever colors as mentioned here, and then here yellow and then green, yellow and then green, first you mark it and then give the border first coloring like this, then you finished like this way. First you need to give the border in that particular box, that, and then now this the yellow color and green color has finished. So now you apply this brown color, then next you take dark umber. See here for the shading I'm giving such kind of the lightly gap. Okay, to understand this I will show this with the white color shading. So this will come color shading. The next other videos I will show clearly the how to shade the colors, light to dark, the shading, how to blend the crayons. And then here also one side is the lighter, the other side is the darker. So like in this way you need to follow. The other color is will take this the color and then apply, right. And the next thing is, so here the color has come into the dark, so with the light color we have to start. So we'll take into this light color, then other shade will go with this, and then lightly will add such kind of other shade, and the next one is we'll go with the dark color. Okay, right. So now, so in the down part coloring I'm following the line, then upside just I'm giving here and there lightly white gap, so it will shows the highlight. And then like in this way you need to fill the color. So in this way you need to finish the coloring part. This one is the dark color I was taken, and then next finally the dark color will take. Then finally we'll take white color, if any color, and then this the highlight will give. If any other color is there, just remove that and then blend like this. So in this way, this it will shows the highlight, and then all whichever the color stuff is there, and then just you give with the white color, and then finally we'll take black color. Finally the black color where it has gone will touch again, and then such kind of the areas will make the darkness where it is required. And then next is the here lightly you can give the dark shade. Then here you in this picture it is showing such kind of the two people are there. Finally with the black color will show. So then finally here the birds are flying, that you add here. Black color at the finally have to use at the wherever you like to do the black color. Finally